Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could fix Wi-Fi internet not working in Windows 10. If you are getting unidentified network, limited network, or yellow triangle, or limited access error, then you can fix it through the solutions which I will be providing in this video. So this also might give you the error called unidentified network, limited access, or no internet access. All of these errors goes back to the same one, and sometimes it shows you as a yellow triangle. So this video is to explain to you how you can solve that. One of the things which you want to do, you want to make sure that you are first connected to your network. If you don't have internet access, it's not the issue. It should show the same error as mine, as you can see, unidentified network, internet access, or no whatever. And we will go to the search loop and we will type control panel. This fix works for Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. So we will click on network. If you don't have the same view by category, you might have large icon or small icons, then change it to category so that you are able to follow. Next thing, we will click on network and internet, and we will click on network and sharing center. We will also click on Wi-Fi. However, as you can see, I have unidentified network and no internet access, so I will just click on my Wi-Fi in connections. We will select properties. So here we will look for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and make sure that you are ticking it or it's selected. We will click on properties, and here we will try this fix. So we will just change our IP address. The IP address will be 192.168.1, and the last set of digits also should be 1. On the subnet mask should be 255.255.255.0. On the default gateway, you need to copy the same IP address, but you will change just the last set of digits. So for example, let's consider that here I have 99 devices connected, so I will name this computer 100 in the last set. In the default gateway, I will copy the same IP address 192.168.1, and in the last digit you have to put number 1. On the DNS server addresses, in the preferred DNS server, you need to put 8.8.8.8, and on the alternate server we will change it and we'll put again 8 in the second line, and here we'll put 4, and on the last set also 4. You need to select validate settings upon exit and click OK. We will now click close, and we will click close. After a few seconds, up to 1 minute, the issue should be solved. If this still didn't solve your issue, Windows will run a troubleshooter and try to fix the problem for you. So let's review again. Properties. I will just again select validate upon settings, upon exit, and click close. Windows will start detecting problems and collecting configuration and fixing them, and troubleshooting says it couldn't identify the problem. So if this fix didn't fix your internet, just go back to properties again, click on IP Internet Protocol version 4 properties, and select obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically, and click OK. We will just close. Windows will run the troubleshooter and it should fix your internet. So here the unidentified network is gone and I have no longer the yellow triangle. We can go ahead and close. However, if this also still didn't fix your internet, go back to properties, look for TCP Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 and click on properties, and here make sure to select obtain an IPv6 address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. After selecting those two, just click OK and click close, and also click close. You might need to wait up to 1 minute to see if Windows will fix the problem or the troubleshooter will fix the problem. If you still didn't have the internet solved or fixed, then you can go to the next fix. You go to your internet you click with the right button of the mouse and you open network and internet settings. This will take us to this settings. We will click change connection properties, and here you want to make sure to select in the IP settings, IP assignment, you want to have automatic DHCP. If you have it set to manual, then just click on edit and make sure to select automatic and click save. Once done, this also should solve the problem for some people. If you are still unable to have it fixed or solved, then the next step which we will do, we will go back and you want to select use random hardware addresses. This also should solve the problem for you. If these solutions still didn't solve your internet problem, then you want to go and type or click on troubleshooting network connection issues. This will run a diagnostic tool through Windows and should also solve the problem. If after all of these solutions you are still unable to connect to your internet or to your Wi-Fi, then you might consider either performing an update of the firmware of your router, or you might consider performing a reset of your router. You will find these videos in our YouTube channel on how to perform this. If after these two solutions you are unable to fix your internet problem, you may want to contact your internet provider and ask them for help. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us a comment with the error codes or with the description of the issue, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always press like if you like this video and also share with friends. And if you would like to encourage us, you can always press subscribe and also to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.